how to fix error CE-10826-9 on the PlayStation 5. So what you need to do is to go into the settings. Now here we are gonna select system. From here you want to go into system software update and settings and make sure that you have the latest version of the software for PS5. So here you can just check if you have the latest version. Okay, once you have done this, if you still get this error, then what I suggest doing is gonna be resetting your PS5. Now make sure you back up all of your data beforehand, because your data will be deleted. And here you just want to go into reset options, then select reset your console. It's going to tell us that all of the users and data will be deleted, and console sharing and offline play will be disabled for all users using this PS5. So once you have backed up your data, reset your console, and this should fix the error. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and subscribe. I will see you next time.